So we took down the 25-year-old azalea bushes and all the overgrowth, and you can actually drive down the street and see the house. It looks way better. But it's amazing, an hour and a half with the mini excavator makes such a huge difference, because before you couldn't even see the bottom half of the house. Now you can actually see the whole house. I think we're gonna put just sod and pine straw out here and call it good. Anyways, let us show you what we did, and I guess the next big thing is clean the driveway and clean the gutters, and hopefully that'll be done for the front, and we'll do the backyard whenever we have some more free time. Stay tuned.